Happy day, children. Class 3, Chapter 1, The Universe and the Earth. Third session. In the first two sessions, you have learnt about universe, galaxy and the solar system. Today, we are going to learn about rotation and revolution of an Earth. It means movements of an Earth. Did you know our Earth is always in motion? We don't see or feel it when moving that because everything on earth moving with us. Think when we traveling in a vehicle in a highway, we don't feel like we're moving. Traveling on the earth is also like that. Let us see the earth's movement. The sun is the center of the solar system. The earth is always moving around the sun. The earth and all other planets orbiting. We call it as fixed orbit. It always stays the same. We say that the earth revolves around the sun. The earth never stops. We call it as revolution. Look at this picture. It takes 365 quarter days to complete one revolution. It causes different season. The Mercury takes 88 days to complete one revolution, but Neptune takes 66,000 days to complete one revolution. Revolution causes different seasons. It is also called the annual motion of an earth or the revolution of the earth. Okay, now earth rotates on its own axis from west to east. The earth also spins around. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It causes day and night. Why does the sun seems to come up in the morning? Why does it go down at night? Days and nights will happen because of the rotation. The earth spins west to east. Once it faces the sun, the other side faces away from the sun. When we facing the sun, we have light. We call it day. When we face away from the sun, we don't have the light. We call it as night. We say that the earth rotates on its own axis. The axis is an imaginary line that goes to the middle of the earth. It helps us understand how the earth rotates. It is the reason we have seasons. The earth is divided into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The earth is divided into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now, look at this demonstration. Now, the earth rotates on its own axis. It causes day and night. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now, the earth revolves around the sun. Now, the earth revolves around the sun. It takes 365 quarter days to complete one revolution. It causes different seasons. These are the major difference between the rotation and revolution. Earth rotates on its own axis. Earth revolves around the sun. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It takes 365 quarter days to complete one revolution. It causes day and night. Revolution causes different seasons. Thank you.